Hi, I want to show you today how to make a specific section on your website a part of your menu without having to create a totally separate page for that. So for today, we're going to use the About Us page. As you can see, we've already done this with two different sections. And we're going to do this to our core values. So what you're going to do when you log in is you're going to go down to Appearance and then hit Menus. You want to make sure you're in the right menu. So for this one, we need the primary menu. And then you're going to scroll down to Custom Links. You want to make sure that you put the pound sign, whoops, that is not the pound sign, the pound sign, and then the title of what that section is. So for this one, it's Our Core Values, and then you want to separate that out with a slash. And this is how it's going to identify it on the back end when you go to edit that in Elementor. The link text is what you'll see in the menu. And that's it. You just want to make sure you have this pound sign and then you separate it out with a dash. And then you're going to add to the menu. And then you'll want to put that in the place that you want that section to go. And then you'll hit save. Okay. So right now, if I go, I can see it in the menu, but if I click it, it's not going to work. Okay, well, it did work because it was already set up before, but let me show you why it's working. So you're going to hit Edit with Elementor. We did this previously, so it's essentially already set up, but I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you want to make sure that you go down to the section that you are editing. And then you're going to hit the dots. And then over here, you're going to hit Advanced. And then this is already set up, but just, pretend it's blank. And then this is where you're going to add, let's look at it here. You're going to add this. You don't need that pound sign here. So you'll add that. And you'll hit Update. Okay, you've hit Update, and then we're going to view the page, make sure it's working. You're on the About Us page, click on Our Core Values, and it takes you right down. So that's it, that's all you have to do.